PBLs are used in classrooms throughout the United States as a means to help students solve real-world problems. PBLs give students an opportunity to think outside the box and to put much of what they have learned in the classroom into practice. PBLs are exciting and creative ways to put what students have learned into action. PBLs are based on students solving a problem, answering an essential question, or meeting a challenge. There are 6 steps or features to include when implementing a PBL in the classroom. The first step is to post an essential question, problem, or challenge the students have to solve. This question should be relevant and open-ended. The second step is sustained inquiry. Students will work on PBLs over a period of time and will draw from many different resources to get information to answer their essential question. The third step is authenticity. Students will get a chance to relate to the problem they are answering and to stir up interests of their own. The next step is student voice and choice. Students will get to decide how they will present their project as they direct their own learning. Students will also get feedback and a chance to revise their project. This could be through constructive criticism from peers or teachers. And lastly, step 6 is the public product. Students will showcase their work to an outside audience relevant to their project. One of the most popular and common ways in which PBLs are now often seen used in classrooms is in conjunction with STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, and also through STEAM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics. STEM and STEAM are a natural fit into project-based learning. The goals of STEM and STEAM PBLs are to give students a chance to solve real-world problems with collaboration with their peers. PBLs also promote ownership of their learning and commitment to solving problems that matter to students. Students work collaboratively to produce an authentic final project. Many times these STEM and STEAM PBLs are presented as special challenges, usually with an engineering approach. In STEAM PBLs, the art component of the project many times helps students to look at the engineering part through more of an artistic lens. In STEM and STEAM PBL activities, students work in collaborative groups to identify problems and find strategies to solve these problems, in contrast to teachers telling them how to solve the problems. Instead of teachers giving all the content knowledge, STEM and STEAM PBLs give students an opportunity to construct their own knowledge and deepen their understanding of the content areas. As a culminating activity, or sometimes during the project, students are given a chance to showcase their learning as a public product. This helps boost excitement and also to give their project meaning. PBLs can be a fun way for students to show their learning and to work as a team.